Hi everyone, we will be folding origami hearts with this type of design today. These will be smaller than the ones that I make because this is made out of post-its, but you can use normal origami paper or post-its, but right now I'm using origami paper. You will need scissors to cut it in half. You'll see later. So first I'm going to fold this piece of origami paper in half. And I'm gonna make this sharp edge. And next, I'm going to cut along the folded paper right here. After that, you will only need 1/2 of the piece of paper. You won't need the other half. So here I am now. Next, you fold this in half again to 2 squares. Next, you fold the paper up into the right corner like a triangle. And you do that also and fold the other corner up to the left corner of the paper. Next, you turn the paper around and then you fold the corner up to the right. It doesn't really matter which corner you fold up to first, like this folding up to this side or folding up to this side, yeah. Then I'll fold up the paper to the left corner. So now we have this, and then next we are going to go, so you put your finger right here, like 2 fingers right here, and you put your thumbs here, and you sort of put your hands here, and you sort of push in on here. Push in on here, like you see, you sort of, it's like you fold this in half and you push it on here, and we get to this. And you turn the paper around and turn it around like this. Like, you should get it around like this. And you see the folds. If you do this, they'll form triangles. And then you go to the side and you do the same thing. You do this, and you push in, and you fold down. So far, so good. So next, you take these corner things right here, and you fold them up like this, like right like this. That like this, and you turn around to the other side, and you do the same thing. Fold them up like this. Take the flip, take this. So far so good. It should look like this. Then you take this and you sort of stick your thumb in there to make a wide opening, and you fold them down to make a square like this. You do this the same for the other ones, and you stick your thumb in and you fold them down from like this. Yes. Next, you fold this corner in to the middle line right here. You see this middle line right here? Fold it towards like this. And you do the same for the other side. And it gets to like this. So you do that for all the other squares too. And you So far so good. We get to here. Next, we sort of stick our fingernail in right here, and then we push down, and we get to this sort of kite-shaped thing. We put it on, and we do the same for the other 8. Stick our finger through here, and we push down. We get here. Stick our finger and do this, and we get to this. Now we're almost done. So one last finish touch. You take either corner. You can take this side or this corner, and then I'll just take this and I'll just fold it down. And sometimes, like, you could do this if you want. Some people might want to, like, fold the edges behind like this, like this, or you can just leave it alone like this. Now you got your heart. Good job.